So today with us, senior advocate Mr. Anwar Chaudhary, advocate. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your precious time.
Thank you very much.
Sir, you have filed a petition before the High Court, and you have challenged the inclusion of 4 tribes in the ST quota.
Yes.
So this petition is pending before the Honorable High Court. The matter is sub judice. So what is the present status of this particular case, sir? Please share with us.
Initially, it was challenged that I have no locus standi to file that writ petition, but it was held by the DB that after arguments, it was held that he has the competence to file I have the competence to file the writ petition.
Right.
Now, the Union of India has filed its counter, and the local Union Territory also. And there are a few persons who wanted to be parties to the writ petition. They have been allowed, and it has been directed now that within 3 weeks, whatever counter they want to file, the whole pleading should be completed within 3 weeks.
Right.
And list thereafter, because January would be a month of vacation, and I think it is listed for 6th of February 2025. Let us see what happens on that day.
Sir, what is the stand of government on this particular case? Because last time the Advocate General, Mr. D.C. Rana, he argued and he sought time to argue on the maintainability of this particular petition.
No, maintainability, whereas the concept of maintainability, it has been said by the DB that it is maintainable.
Okay.
And it can be maintained by the petitioner, whoever the petitioners. We are 3 petitioners in that petition.
Right. So is there any application from the other, like
Yes,
open marriage?
yes. The people who have been granted ST, there are certain applications from their side, and many advocates had appeared last time, and they had sought time for filing their counter as well.
So there is one more petition which has been filed by a practicing advocate. I am not sure about that, Mr. Zahoor Ahmed. He has also challenged this particular amendment in the Reservation Act. So what will be the consequences, because you have already challenged this particular order, the inclusion of 4 tribes in the ST quota, and he has also challenged the amendment in the Reservation Act.
Yes.
So
I think they have filed this writ petition for that there is excessive reservation now.
yes,
And they have said that it should not be exceed 50% of.
and the subject of that plea is particular amendment
Yes.
in the Reservation Act.
Yes.
So do you think इससे कुछ इफेक्ट रहेगा आपकी इस मैटर में, या इनको क्लब किया जाएगा या दोनों इनको सुना जाएगा?
No,
What will
let
be
us see. I think the subject matter is different. My writ petition is particularly against
with regards to the inclusion of 4 tribes
Yes.
in the ST quota?
Yes.
Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank you very much.